Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is white sauce bechamel. Okay, first thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the ratio that we have to use for the white sauce bechamel. So, for every 1 liter of milk, we have to use 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of flour. So that is the ratio that we have to use for the white sauce bechamel. For every liter of milk, 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of flour. Now, the recipe. So, I've got the milk already into the pot. We're going to turn on the heat so we get the milk hot. Then we're going to melt the butter. We're going to put the butter into a sauce pan. We're going to turn the heat onto low heat so we can melt the butter. So, by the time we have the butter melting, the milk getting hot, we're going to do the studded onion. So, I've got 1 white onion. We are going to peel it. Then after we peel the onion, we are going to cut the onion by half, like that. We're going to use only half of the onion. Then I have 1 bay leaf. We're going to put the bay leaf on top of the onion. Then I have 2 cloves. We're going to stick the cloves into the bay leaf, like that. Okay? And that is called studded onion. And we're going to put the onion in the milk. Okay? Now, the butter is nearly melted. What we're going to do, we're going to do the roux. So, we're going to put the flour mixing with the butter. When the butter is all melted, which it is now, flour in, and we are going to mix the flour and butter together. So we make the roux. The sides of the saucepan and mix, and as you can see, starts to come together. That is called the roux. We're going to use this so we can have our white sauce bechamel thick. Remember to switch off, to turn off the heat. And here we've got the roux. Now, we're going to transfer the roux into a bigger pot. So then we can start the white sauce. For recipes with pictures and method, please do log on our website, robandjays.com, or like us on our Facebook page, Rob and Jays. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram as well. And please do share our work so other families will benefit. Thank you very much for that. So now we're gonna start the white sauce bechamel. Okay? We're gonna turn the gas on. On a little bit more than low. Then we're gonna start adding the milk, 3 ladles at a time, to the roux, like that. Then we're gonna mix in the milk and with the roux. So then first we will start to loosen up. Then it will come back together again, as you can see. Okay? Now, what we can do, we're gonna add more milk, slowly, 3 ladles at a time. And mix in, if we use a wooden spoon, it is much better. We're gonna mix in the milk. It is tempted to add the milk all at once, but that way we are risking that our white sauce will come lumpy. Now we're gonna add more milk. Again, mix in nicely, gentle, loosen up the roux into the milk. Yeah, like I was saying, it is very tempting to add all the milk at once, but that way our white sauce will become lumpy. This way we have beautiful. Now the milk is boiling, we can turn off the heat there. Together, then we're gonna add more milk. Again, mix up nicely, be careful. Just stir, especially in the beginning when you add the milk. There is no such better food than home cooked food. So you can see it's coming beautiful. I'm gonna add more milk. And when you add the milk, start stirring gentle, because you will splash everywhere. Like I was saying, there is no such better cooking food than home cooked food. Look at that beautiful white sauce coming together. You see? So if you see that the white sauce bechamel, it is too thick, you can always add more milk. You can add all the milk now and stir in. We can turn the heat down and we mix the last of the milk. I was saying that, yeah, if you see that the white sauce is coming too thick, you can add more milk, no problem, slowly, until you will be happy with the result, with the consistency, with the thickness of the white sauce. Look at that, beautiful. Now, as you can see, beautiful white sauce. Okay? Now we're gonna pass this white sauce through a colander, and then we just need to finish it with some nutmeg and seasoning. And that is the basic white sauce. You can turn off the heat. You can make a lot of sauces from white sauce. We're going to pass the white sauce through a conical strainer. Beautiful, you see? The consistency is very, very good. Let me pass that one. Now, make sure you don't leave any white sauce there. Okay? Now, we're gonna add a pinch or 2 pinches of nutmeg and some seasoning. Give it a good stir and look at that beautiful white sauce. White sauce bechamel. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.